Then another very powerful point which a lot of us are unaware of. When you are asking Allah, you never ever say insha'Allah. You don't ever insult the Creator by saying, Ya Allah, give me insha'Allah. That word insha'Allah, we don't realize. When you are asking al-jazm fi dua, you say, Ya Allah, give me, Ya Allah. Please forgive me, Ya Allah. You will be forgiven. You don't say, Ya Allah, please forgive me if you want. No. When you are asking Allah something, you don't say insha'Allah. When you are asking Allah, you don't say, if you will, give it to me. No. What you can say and what you should say, Ya Allah. When you are asking for something material, you say, if it is better for me, then facilitate it for me. And if it is not good for me, keep it away from me. But when you are seeking forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will never say,